What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So there is some drama, that is going on with Mpumelelo's life, and Tirelo is not happy, because social media, is circulating this news, these rumors that Mpumelelo was spotted, with another girl, and Tirelo was like reportedly furious and not happy about it all, and was threatening, to walk away from the relationship. But if you analyze it all, you will see that this is just a love triangle. Exactly. It's like a love triangle, You remember the scenario between Tirelo and Vuyokazi. There was this tension, and Vuyokazi ended up like walking away, and Tirelo remained behind with Mpumelelo. Now there's this other girl that is coming in and is now sort of like trying to push Tirelo away. And Tirelo is now fighting, to hold on to Mpumelelo. But Mpumelelo, has always been open and very clear about her position that she is a polygamous man and she wants so many wives. But the challenge that is there now with Mpumelelo is that there is lack of communication on her part, If you look at Musa Mseleku, he just doesn't go out there, with women that Macele does not even know about, Musa Mseleku briefs, his wives, that I have this girlfriend that I'm currently seeing, But Mpumelelo seems not to be aware of these polygamous rules. So he needs, to change his approach and actually inform Tirelo about what she intends to be doing. And that way, it avoids a lot of tension in his relationship. He has a lot to learn from Musa Mseleku, but the challenge with Mpumelelo is that he wants to hear nothing from Musa Mseleku. But anyway, some people, they learn through experience. Maybe this is Mpumelelo's path that he is walking on. I'll catch you guys on the next one.